Hello there, I'd like to show you this little eyelash kit from Lookout Lashes, and it contains everything you need for gorgeous lashes. And of course it's going to start with an eyelash curler. And what I really like about this one is, unlike some others that I've tried, it doesn't leave that kink in your lash, at least for me, so hopefully that'll be the same for you. And before you curl your lashes, you're going to want to brush them out, otherwise they're just going to go sticking all kinds of different ways. It also has a lot of extra pads because you'll want to replace these. They get gunky pretty quick. And as a bonus, a mascara shield. So when you are doing your bottom lashes, you stick this device under there, and you're not going to get those icky bits of black or brown on your skin. And then this one fits on your face for your upper lashes. So I hope that this shows it to you in a way that's going to help you to decide whether or not this little kit is going to be right for you. Thanks for watching.